My beautiful people, I bring you this short news. I saw this is happening in our area and it's very funny, but I believe there is a lesson, plenty lesson there inside. So let me just let you watch the video, this clip, and also wait for me at the end, because me get my own small tips to add, because this is just like seriously, can this be real, that our people will continue to do this to themselves? How much more what they will do to other people? Now what I mean is that this young lady nearly died. She nearly died. Her hair is too long, that to an extent that the hair now went to the spoke and to the tire of the motorcycle, entangled and hooked up with the motorcycle tire. That could have terminated her life, but God was on her side to see her through. So watch this video, put what you understand and what you think on the comment section, and let's talk over there. But before you go, at the end of this video, or yeah, I want add one or two things, please.
Wait. Go back, wait. Go back, let them push up. Wait, much more. Oh, yeah, go.
Do you notice that some people are laughing? Some people, they laugh the woman, they go. Now her head is stuck. The fellow women by the side there also disagree with such long hair. Even it's too long. I don't know which one are the plate. You see, even the fellow women are disagreeing. It's too long. I believe this is someone's daughter, or someone's wife, or someone's girlfriend, or someone's mother, or someone's sister. We must be able to control that our pleasure we dey for her. This thing is getting too much. I want you to just play it to see it again. That's why I return.
Oh, yeah, go back.
My dear people, my beautiful people, if you are a girl or a woman listening to me, help us they broadcast this thing. If you see someone with long hair, share this video to him or her. It's insane. And the problem is, this will put the man, the Okada man, in trouble. If this would have happened, it will put the Okada man in trouble, or put people around them, because if it happens that they now hit another motor or another Okada, it's insane. It's funny as well, but for me, I don't find it funny. I find it something we could advocate against. So this is the end of this particular one. Remain blessed. See you next time, and bye.